Welcome back to GateX AIML. So now we'll solve some few very simple examples on combinations. You already know when you have to apply combinations, whenever you are choosing some items where the order doesn't matter. So you are given it as NCR equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay. So now let us see some of the simple example. Okay, the first one, from a group of 10 people, there are 10 people. I have to select 4 to form a committee. Okay, which 4 I don't know, in what order we don't know. Okay, it's not an arrangement, right? They're not restricting on where the committee member 1 has to be, 2 has to be, 3 has to be, or 4 has to be. Just out of 10 members, 10 people, you have to choose 4 people. Okay, so directly it's choosing 4 out of 10. So this is 10C4, which comes out to be 210. And similarly, in a party of 12 people, I have 12 people. If each person shakes hands with every other person once, how many handshakes occur? Okay. So to do a handshake, there should be 2 persons, right? So 2 persons are required to do a handshake. So if there are 12 persons, so they require 2 persons, choosing 2 for a handshake. So this is nothing but 12C2. Next, from a bag of 15 balls, how many ways can 6 balls be drawn simultaneously? Okay, 15 balls are there. I have to choose 6 balls. That's it. So it comes out to be 5005. Okay. Next, how many 5 card hands can be drawn from a deck of 52 cards? So if you know the cards concept, okay, usually such questions will not be asked in the exams, but still a simple question. So 52 cards will be there. Okay, so I have to pick 5 cards from it. So in how many ways you can draw 5 cards out of 52? So it's a very big combination number, right? 25, 98, 960. This. Okay. Next, in how many ways can 3 identical prizes be given to 10 students? Okay, see, this matters. If say it was 3 different prizes, then it becomes prize 1 to this person, prize 2 to this person, prize 3 to that person, like that. So it becomes a permutation problem. Now they are identical. So 10 students, out of them 3 will get. So it is nothing but 10C3. Okay, this is how you have to identify the keywords. Next, out of 20 questions, I have 20 questions in the exam. A student must attempt 15. Out of this, he has to attempt 15. What are the possible combinations? Which all questions he can choose? Like question 1, question 3, question 5, like that, 15 questions. So out of 20, he has to choose 15, any 15. Okay. So total number of ways comes out to be 1. Just check. 1550, I think. Then next, same question. How many subsets of 4 elements can be formed from a set of 10 elements? See, they are not talking of the ordering of the elements here. 4 elements has to be picked, that's it. So that has to be chosen from 10 elements. So I have to choose 4 elements from 10 elements. Okay. So this is around 210. So exactly 210. Next, a lottery draws 6 numbers out of 49. How many combinations are possible? See, there are 49 numbers in a lottery. So if you draw 6 numbers, how many combinations are possible? So this is big number, 13, 98, 3816. Okay. So don't worry, we are solving very simple questions to understand the keywords in the combinations. Then the next video will go for the little bit higher or medium difficulty level question. So now same thing, from 12 different books, in how many ways? Okay, there is no order here. Can 5 books be selected for reading? I can select any 5 books out of 12 books. Okay, book 1, book 2, book 7, book 12, like that. So any order. Okay, order doesn't matter here. That means if it's not a permutation question. If it is permutation, then I have to choose book 1 first and then book 2 first, next book 4, like that. So there is no order here. I can choose book 9, book 1, book 5, both means same. Okay, so this comes out to be 792. Okay. These are very simple problems to identify, just basically the keywords, so that you get a little bit warmed up. Okay, so in the next videos we will see many good questions on combinations, or a little bit more difficult questions on combination. Okay, so please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you. We will see you in the next video.